Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you the results of our new development, Japanese to English dash conversion of Toyota Auris hybrid, for both versions with lane departure assist and without it. All menus and warning messages in its sophisticated color instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. There are over 340 Japanese words and phrases in settings and various warning messages. We managed to translate all of them. After conversion, Instrument Cluster displays notifications, statistics, and offer selection of various settings in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.